Have a flashing light update to share with you guys. We're up to 704 unique locations here in the United States, over 1,700 globally, and counting. In this video, you guys are going to see some really wild examples of these flashing lights. And again, guys, my personal opinion, there's something influencing the flow of electricity in rogue and random locations all around the world. This first segment has narration out of Wisconsin by Christina from 6/26 of 2025. Here we go.
Well, Mr. MBB, here's some pretty weird flickering lights on this building out here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.
This video is out of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, as Christina was sitting at an intersection. Like the video out of Henderson, Nevada, when the person was at an intersection, she noticed all of the lights, not just one, go off, then back on. Off, then back on. That more than likely tells us it was a problem with the source, the electricity, not the bulbs. Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Stephen M. took this video less than 48 hours ago. A row of lights in this large park. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe there were 5 in this video, all in a row throughout this park that were flashing for unknown reasons. Going to Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, video by Michael M, sent in by Crazy Daisy. Check this out. This is a video of a B-52 exiting a hangar. Notice all the lights up here on the ceiling. Watch what happens to some of the lights as this thing starts up and exits the hangar. Notice the lights start to flicker. Not all of them, but some of them. I wonder if it had something to do with possibly electromagnetic energy coming off the aircraft, because as you can clearly see, there's several lights there flickering, and the rest of them are just simply on. I don't think they're supposed to be flickering like that. And coming up is another hangar in night vision, and you can see the lights are flickering as well. In fact, there look like more lights flickering in that one than there was in the first one. Let me back it up a little bit here. You can see 2 hangars. Both of the hangars have mysterious blinking lights as the B-52s were exiting the hangars. I'm wondering if it was some kind of electromagnetic energy coming off the planes that could have possibly caused the lights to malfunction. Going to Orlando, Florida, Luis, 6/25 of 2025, noticed several lights over here in this apartment complex. Too many to even count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, maybe 12, and then possibly some on the other side of the building. And then down here in front of this fence, he couldn't help but notice all the activity over there. And there were so many flickering at the same time, more than likely, again, it had to have been the source, the electricity causing them to malfunction. That many bulbs wouldn't have went bad all at the same time. Mike out of Welland, Ontario, 6/9 of 2025, noticed all of these lights malfunctioning for unknown reasons. There they just turned off, then right back on. Obviously, not a bulb issue, more than likely a source issue. And I have one more example to share with you guys today out of Quincy, Illinois by Bruce and Natalie, 6/10 of 2025, was driving down the road, came up on this building with multiple rogue and random flashing lights. Not all of the lights, just some of the lights on the front of that building were malfunctioning for unknown reasons. The mysterious phenomena continues to sweep the globe. I received this photo yesterday of a light at an intersection that appeared to be on fire, or at least there's black smoke billowing from a stoplight at an intersection. Talk about interfering with the flow of electricity. This takes it to an entirely different level. Are you serious right now? You can't make this stuff up. The photo was sent in by Kathy Kirkman. I'm waiting to hear back on the exact location.